Number 5. What is the total force acting on the crate? Ooh, that's going to be a tough one, isn't it? Total force, 0 newtons. There is no net force acting on the crate. How do I know? What numbers did I crunch to do that? I didn't crunch any numbers. The crate with a constant speed. That means the velocity is not changing. And if velocity is not changing, right, acceleration is equal to 0. And if acceleration is equal to 0, it doesn't matter what the mass of the object is, the force is 0. The net force is 0. Doesn't mean that there aren't forces operating on the crate. Total force, net force, 0 newtons, right? Because it's moving at a constant velocity, and it's not changing direction, right? If it was changing direction, then technically there would be an acceleration and net force. But here, no. Same direction, no change in direction, no acceleration. Acceleration is 0, so no net force.